Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy New Year.
From our family to yours, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very safe holiday.
Thank you for a wonderful 2025. We look forward to being with all of you in 2026. We truly feel blessed. From our family to yours, Jim, River,
Remy, and Rebecca,
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Whozer Adventure YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me tonight. And if this is your first time joining us, welcome. And if you're a long-time return viewer, we greatly appreciate that very, very much. And thank you for spending your Christmas 2025 with me. We're going to really have some fun tonight. One of the things that I truly believe is that every Christmas tree needs a crappie jig on it. It's a good way to pay our respects to the crappie gods. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to have some fun tonight. We're going to tie up a very unique Christmas jig, and hopefully we're going to make this an annual event and something that is both fishable and lovable on the Christmas tree. So let's get started. Basically, we're going to start with this new color round ball. So this is almost a chrome color. Gives the head just a little bit of flash. Should make our jig look pretty cool. As long as Jim can see to put the hook back in there and put his glasses on, because that is going to be a requirement. All right. So I started all my jigs exactly the same way. I'm going to put some glue on my shank here. It just helps lock down that thread and secure our jig up a little bit here. I'm going to start off with some 200D white thread. And obviously it's a Christmas jig, so we're going to represent some Christmas colors on this. All right. Now, I want to kind of take off with my red. And we're going to kind of build up from there just a little bit. Now, on your crystal flash, on any jig, it doesn't take an immense amount of crystal flash to get your point across. I'm probably using less than probably around 6 strands. Overloading a jig with a lot of crystal flash can hamper things just a little bit for the fish. It can spook them. There we go. Now that we got that first initial crystal flash in there, we're going to give it a whip finish here. Kind of tie that in. Okay. Now I think what we'll do is we'll come back with some hackle neck feather. We're going to use a red. Kind of float that in there a little bit. There we go. Get him out of there. And what I like to do is kind of size this up just a little bit. And then I'm going to pinch it. And then I'm going to make that V cut, because we won't be able to use that again. So that's that V that you see in there. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their Christmas in 2025. Rebecca and I truly feel blessed to have all of you. This is our first Christmas with all of you. And, that means a lot to us. Okay, so now what I think we'll do is, let's see what we got here. I think we're going to add just a little bit of green. Let's add some green to this. I'm kind of, I haven't thought this through, to be quite truthful and honest with you. I'm just kind of jumping out there and kind of seeing where we land with this Christmas jig. But hopefully we make this a kind of an annual event. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that's going to look good. Again, we're going to make that V cut, because we might want to use a little bit of that. I'm going to stick this one over here if I can. I'm going to kind of stick this one right here, because we're going to fill in the gaps a little bit. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, that's okay. We appreciate you still sticking here with us and enjoying the jig. So we got some red, we got some green kind of working in there a little bit. Love that. Now maybe, I think what we're going to do is we're going to use a crystal white body. So I think what we'll do now is we're going to add just a little bit of green crystal flash in here. Again, I'm not going to get too overly zealous with this. Let's see what this looks like. You just don't know till you try. Actually, let's put it over here on this side, kind of like this. Can I get it started here? All right, that's starting to look Christmassy, I think. You got some of that crystal flash that slipped down there on me. Let's pull that in and tighten that up a little bit. We don't want to hamper our hook set any. There we go. We want old Crappie to think he's getting the winner. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to wrap this back up to the head, and I'm going to give it a whip finish in here, kind of tie all that stuff together a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to add our body. We're going to bring it full circle now. So this crystal flash, I don't know if you can see it in the camera very well, but it's got some red and green speckles in it. So it kind of goes with our theme tonight. And yes, I'm going to fish this, and I'm going to fish it on camera. So if it doesn't catch any fish, we're going to know it. But it's going on the Christmas tree first. Now we're going to wrap that crystal flash up here, or the body up here, sorry. You want to be snug about this, but you don't want to get too overly snug about it. This is on a 1/32 ounce jig head. It's one of my favorite sizes for crappie. And then we're going to put a whip finish in here. Give it about 6. Tie that baby in. Now we're just going to trim it off. And there you go, guys. If that doesn't say Christmas, nothing does. We have our 2025 Christmas jig. And I think it'll catch crappie. In fact, I know it'll catch crappie. It's got a lot of the favorite colors that work well in any water condition. We got our greens, we got our reds, we got our white with a silver shiny head on it. This should do good. And I think the crappie gods are going to be very happy. So hopefully you enjoyed tonight's video. If you did, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up, okay? And hit that subscription button. I promise you, you'll love being a part of the Hoosier Adventure family. We have a ton of fun up here, and we'd love to have you. And hit that notification bell. You know, that way you know when we're uploading videos and stuff. We have a wonderful 2026 season coming. We're going to be collaborating with a handful of opportunities coming this year, this coming year. And we'll look forward to sharing that with you guys. Our channel has continued to grow, and we greatly appreciate that with everybody. Hopefully we'll have our nitro boat back. Well, I know we'll have it back by spring, and we can start making some of those fishing videos that all of you are anxious for, and I'm anxious for. And hopefully we'll get some ice fishing in this year, and catch some big old crappie under the ice and bring them up through the holes for you. And then just more adventure stuff. Obviously, I like to produce and put out there what you folks are entertained with and enjoy. So if you have suggestions on something that you'd like to see out there, we absolutely would love to hear from you. Again, we feel totally blessed. We have met some wonderful people. We started our channel March, April range of 2025. We had set a goal, and it was an aggressive goal, no doubt about it, that we were going to shoot for like 1,500 subscribers in that time period. And we fell a little short. That's okay. It was an aggressive one. But we have, in my opinion, some awesome subscribers. We have met so many of you and had conversations with so many of you and become dear friends with so many. We truly, truly, truly feel blessed by all that. And obviously, I hope all of you have extremely safe holidays. You get to enjoy your families. And we start the new year here in a few days. And obviously, I want all of you to enjoy the coming year, and all of you prosper from that. So with that being said, I want to say good night. Thank you for allowing me into your home on this Christmas. And we look forward to seeing all of you in the new year. And one of the things I've been kind of tossing around, leave it in the comments if you'd like to see this. But I've been tossing around. I know we haven't been, our channel isn't quite a year old yet, but I thought maybe about starting the year off with maybe a review video of some of the things that we did do this year, and kind of put it all together. If that's something you guys would like to see, let me know. You know, and we'll kick the new year off with a new year video of some of the things that we got the opportunity to do this year, and some of the people we got to meet and share some things with. And if that's something you folks would like to see, we'd love to hear from you. And again, leave comments, guys. That truly, the more you interact with the comments and the thumbs up and the subscriber stuff, it truly helps the channel. It helps YouTube push our videos to other folks out there that may be interested in what we do here. So, and it is really greatly appreciated. Outside of that, good night, everybody. And always remember, please be kind. Good night, everybody.